Imagine living in a world where your opinion doesn't matter. No freedom to make your own decisions. No way to stand up against unfair rules. This was the reality for the American colonies under British rule. But then, on July 4, 1776, everything changed. The colonies said, "Enough is enough," and they declared their independence. Today, let's dive into the story behind this historic document, the Declaration of Independence. A document that not only changed America, but inspired the world. What is the Declaration of Independence? At its core, it's a statement of freedom. A letter written to Britain saying, "We're done with your control." But it wasn't just any letter. It was bold. Revolutionary. Here's what it declared: America is an independent nation. No more British taxes. No more British laws. Freedom is a basic right. Not something granted by kings, but something everyone deserves. The colonies didn't just want freedom, they demanded it. But why? Because Britain had pushed them too far. Heavy taxes without representation. Strict laws controlling their trade. And soldiers stationed in their homes. The colonies felt like prisoners. And the Declaration was their way of saying, "We're breaking free." Who wrote it? The main author? Thomas Jefferson. Picture this, a young man, just 33 years old, sitting at his desk late at night. Writing. Rewriting. Carefully choosing each word. Jefferson knew this document had to be perfect. But he didn't do it alone. He had help from some of the brightest minds of the time: John Adams, a passionate leader who pushed for independence; Benjamin Franklin, a wise statesman who edited Jefferson's draft. Together, they created a document that would echo through the ages. The Declaration of Independence is built around three main ideas. 1. All men are created equal. This was groundbreaking. At a time when kings ruled, the Declaration said everyone is equal at birth. No one is better because of their title or wealth. 2. Unalienable rights, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. These are rights you're born with. Rights no one can take away. The government's job? To protect these rights, not to control them. 3. The right to overthrow an unfair government. If a government doesn't serve its people, they have the right to change it. To demand better. What happened on July 4, 1776? This was the day everything changed. The day the colonies officially adopted the Declaration. But this wasn't just a piece of paper. It was a declaration of war. By signing it, the colonies were openly defying Britain. They knew what was at stake. If they lost, the leaders could be executed for treason. But they didn't back down. They believed in their cause. And their bravery paid off. After 7 years of war, the colonies won their independence. Why is the Declaration important today? You might wonder, why does a 247-year-old document still matter? Here's why. It set the foundation for democracy. The idea that governments should serve the people, not rule them. It inspired movements around the world. From the French Revolution to civil rights struggles, people looked to the Declaration as a symbol of freedom. It reminds us that change is possible. That bold ideas can reshape the world. The Declaration isn't just history, it's a living idea. A reminder that freedom and equality are worth fighting for. Interesting facts about the Declaration. The famous signature, John Hancock's name is the largest on the Declaration. He wanted King George to read it without glasses. Where is it now? The original Declaration is kept in the National Archives in Washington, D.C. Not everyone was free. The Declaration spoke of equality, but slavery continued in America for nearly 90 years after. The Declaration of Independence isn't just a document. It's a symbol. A reminder of courage. A statement that freedom isn't given, it's earned. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible story, there's more waiting for you. Head to the description below. You'll find a link to another amazing channel where history comes alive. Click the link. Subscribe. and dive into a world of fascinating stories. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.